Well, I've used and abused this extension cord here, and now it's time to repair it. As you can see, the ground plug, the ground terminal is missing completely. And then when you try to plug something into this, some of this is arced out, so this needs to be replaced. The plug won't even insert all the way in here. Who knows what got in there, debris, or like I said, or if it arced out. But these ends are in major need of repair. I can't even use the thing properly anymore. But I love the extension cord. It's nice and thick and it's long. And so I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. I'm gonna replace it with one of these. This is also from Project Source, just like this one. And then this one's gonna go there. Replace this one. So I'll go ahead and snip these off here. And we'll go ahead and start with this one right there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this back here. Oh, about this long right here, about the same length as the connector there. I just took and sliced that. And I'll go ahead and remove this completely and then strip back these three ends of the wires as well. Now I'm gonna unscrew these two screws. All right, you'll notice got some different colors on the fasteners here. So this one's gold, that one's silver, that one's green. Of course, green, ground, that one's obvious. So the silver is what you're gonna wanna attach the neutral or the white wire to. That's what I'm gonna do now. Now the black one into the gold. Now I just pop it in there. Now I'm gonna tighten that screw up. You gotta tighten the screw up so I can't pull it out. Do the same thing for these other two. Again, white right there. Okay, I've got those in there. I'm gonna go ahead and snip this off now. Now I'll go ahead and strip these wires back too. Now I'm gonna go ahead and loosen the screw on that thing. So you pop that screw out and then this comes out too. Okay, the neutral is going to go on the silver one, black on the gold one, and ground on the green. Okay, I'm actually going to grab a different one of these. These wires are too fat for this. I think this is just for one of those smaller household style plugs. I'm going to get one that's a little more industrial looking. Okay, I haven't installed this style before, but they all come with two screws kind of sticking out like that. I'm going to go ahead and unscrew that piece right there, that screw. Oh, there we go. Okay, same type of thing, green for ground, the gold for black, and the silver for white. Now before I go wiring, putting the wires in here and screwing them down, this thing doesn't break in half. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide it on over this, over the wire, the cord itself. Now as far as wire insertion goes, you see when you loosen up these screws here, I'm just using this for a pointer, but when you loosen up these screws, it pulls that little piece of sheet metal out, and your wire is going to want to go right down in that hole there, and then you tighten it up and that'll compress that piece down. I'll go ahead and slide this piece on over that and then tighten it down. Okay, I'm going to get these ones all tightened down first. Got that one on there. Now we'll go ahead and clamp these down. One of the things I made sure to do before I put these ends on here and reuse this extension cord, or prolong its life I should say, as I went through and made sure that it was still serviceable. You know, there was no breaks in the exterior of this, any wires poking through. This thing is still in great shape, and so it just there's no missing portions of the liner on the coating of it, the outside, no damage, and so it was worthy of a repair. Very stoked to have some new ends on this extension cord, just like having a brand new extension cord. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.